Hold on, I hear an animal. Behind the house over there. Hear that? Anybody recognize that sound? Up there. Three very big birds in the tree. Gotta watch out for doggy landmines. That's a weird noise. Clicking and clucking and purr, purr. Doing that too. Purr, purr. There's three over there and three over there. Maybe they're arguing. Hell, you. Come on. Step up. Step up, bud. These guys know we're 1, 2, 3, ready to go. Well, I'm flying over here to get Chico. Come on, Chico. Them guys are standing in a 1, 2, 3 position. Let's go. Let's go get him. Woo! LL77. Listen to that weird noise. That one's got a really weird noise. Y'all take care. Peace out. Anybody recognize what that is? Woo. One more time. See? Peace out, guys.